Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Recently, a viewer wrote me and tell me about his experience with my fast cooking system. In the comment, he said, I want to thank you for developing the fast cooking system, which my wife and I adopted 2 years ago, and the results are amazing. We eat much better and feel great. We eat everything we want and cook with all fresh ingredients. Both my wife and I have lost weight, 25 pounds for her and 35 pounds for me over the past 2 years without really trying. Please keep up the good work. I then asked him what part of the cooking system that he thinks worked best for him. He then told me that the best part of the fast cooking system is template-based cooking, which allow us to create wonderful dishes without recipes each time when we cook, making use whatever that is available to us at the time. Furthermore, he said with template-based cooking, we can make modifications and adjustments anytime when we cook, so we are not bound by recipes at all. And he went on to say that most importantly, cooking is fun. It used to be a chore, but now we look forward to it every evening, 7 days a week. The best part is that we cook anything we want and exactly how we like it. And it could not be better and easier with the fast cooking system. He said using the fast cooking system, they eat healthier than they have ever done in the past. The main reason is that because they can cook their meal with all fresh ingredients with minimum use of processed food. He said that this has been lifelong investment, and the fast cooking system is hands down the best cooking system for eating a healthy plant-based diet that's delicious, simple, fun, and efficient for the modern lifestyle. He said that over the years, he and his wife have looked at many different cooking systems and dietary plans. The fast cooking system is definitely the best system for eating more vegetables. So for those of you who are new to my website, you might ask the question, so what is the fast cooking system? And how does it actually work? The word fast is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. The basic idea is to allow you to include more different types of vegetables in your food. The goal is that to make cooking vegetable easier for you. And this is achieved by advanced prepping, which is to prep the vegetable ahead. You do it once a week and you have the vegetable available for you to cook every single evening. This makes the cooking more efficient so you can create your dishes leisurely. Therefore, when you cook, you can take the time to consider what type of vegetable combination that you want to create in your dishes. And by having the prep already ready to go right in front of you, you can make selections and create different combinations each night when you cook. It is not only make your food more interesting, but it is all nutritionally more beneficial for you because you will have nutrients from different kinds of vegetables. And the second part of my fast cooking system that make this possible is stir frying. I remember one viewer wrote to me and he made a very interesting observation. He said stir frying is basically you are mixing vegetables in a wok rather than in a salad bowl. And the wok essentially behave like a big salad bowl, except you cook the vegetable in it. And this provides a lot of possibilities in creating vegetable medleys as you would when you make a salad. And the benefit of using stir fry in create a vegetable medley is that you can cook the vegetable, and so consequently you can use far more different kinds of vegetables that to be included in your dishes. And with my advanced prepping, I usually have up to 10 to 12 different kind of vegetables available to me when I'm ready to cook them. And in this video, I describe the type of vegetable that usually I have it in my advanced prepping. And it turned out that through advanced prepping, for most vegetable ingredients, it actually extends their shelf life. As one of the viewers said to me once, is that advanced prepping is a game changer for him in eating more vegetables. He told me that he's now eating 5 times more vegetable than what he used to. He also eating more varieties of different kinds of vegetable, and he loves them. He told me that vegetable medley is the key by creating dishes with different kind of vegetable combinations. And he told me that he loved templates-based cooking because with templates-based cooking, he said, I'm able to make modifications and substitutions to create almost limitless dishes to make cooking interesting and creative. This and many other viewers had told me that by using templates-based cooking, it basically frees them to cook whatever they want in whatever the approach that they want to take, that they will find it delicious as well as healthy. One viewer told me that another aspect they really like about the fast cooking system is flavor chasing. One viewer described to me why flavor chasing is so important to him. And he said, I used to cook with recipes and I didn't understand how to use herbs and spices. But with flavor chasing, I can create the flavor that I love every time when I cook. I feel a great sense of freedom. And he went on to say that with flavor chasing, I am the best cook for me because I can flavor my dish exactly how I like them. A friend of mine is a nutritionist. I remember he once told me that he said home cooking is never more important than in the history of humankind. He said that fast and processed food is creating more harm than good in the modern society because they are making us sick and reduce our quality of life. Unfortunately, he has a very good point because fast and processed food are manufactured food. And any time when you put a product into a manufacturing process, the main objective is to cut costs and to enhance production. At the same time as in any business situation, to promote consumption of the product is the primary goal. And for many consumer products, this actually works quite well. But when it comes to food, unfortunately, this does not work at all. This results in highly processed food that's rich in calorie but poor in nutrition. Fast and processed food are designed to be convenient and in addition to taste great as well. So in order for a home cooking system to work, it must be able to embrace these two attributes of fast and processed food. And this is the reason that I designed my fast cooking system for it to be flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and templates-based cooking to achieve these two attributes. I post a new video every day to demonstrate my fast cooking system. I want to make an argument that despite your busy lifestyle, you still can cook every day using my fast cooking system. Use all fresh and minimally processed ingredients. If you are interested to learn more as well as adopt my cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will provide many examples how to adopt the system. Keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.